Okay, well today we're going to be talking about Chapter 1-2, Order of Operations and Evaluating Expressions. Okay, the lesson objective for today is to simplify expressions involving exponents. And we're still on the academic standard of preparing for A1.4.2. Okay, some vocabulary to look at to start today is the first one is what is a power. Okay, a power is an expression made of two parts, a base and an exponent. So for example, 4 raised to a third. Okay, and then the exponent is the little number in the upper right corner. So that little 3 right there, that is the exponent of the power. It tells you how many times the base is going to be used as a factor, which is the 4. Okay, so the base, as I said, was a 4 up there. So that's a bigger number, which tells you what number is the factor of the power. Okay, so that 4 is the base. Okay, so it just means how many times it's going to be written out. So just to go over that with you real quick, that just means that this is really like 4 times 4 times 4. Okay, and you can add that into your notes. Okay, so problem number 1 is saying, what is the simplified form of the expression? So we want 10 to the 7th here. We want to know what that's going to be. So we're going to take 10 times 10 times 10, and again, and again, and do one more time, right? There you go. 10 to the 7th. Okay. So there's a lot of times to write that out, but that's not really simplified form, as we'll discuss. Simplified form means one value. So we're going to take this, we're going to multiply them all together. Now in 10 to the 7th, you can just use the power of tens, which means that there's going to be 7 zeros. Okay. So anytime you have a power of 10, it's how many zeros are there. That's, or whatever that exponent is, that's how many zeros you're going to have. So there you go. There's your simplified form. Part B down here, 0.2 raised to the 5th. So as we do that one, well, this one's a little bit more tedious in how you work through it. Okay, we do want to write the parentheses. So as we write this, there's 5 of them. Okay, you count them off there, and we're going to multiply that all together. Again, calculator is really going to be handy in this problem. Don't really expect you to do that all by hand. Really, you should be able to. You should know how to do it, but that's okay. So as we evaluate this out, we get 0.00032. Okay, and that would be your simplified form. Okay, and you can double check that with the calculator. Make sure I'm right. Okay, so as we talked about, there's our power, exponent, base, and we just talked about simplifying. That's to reduce a strand of numbers or variables to a few or even a single value. So the last couple problems we were able to get it down to a small value, nothing else, no tag-alongs there. Again, if you need more information, go to my webpage at google.com/SWMathin, or post a tweet or get on the discussion board and see if anybody can help you out through there. Have a great day.